Hey, it's Joe Fear from GetThriveCart.com, and I wanted to show you something new that we have for you. So we actually created something very simple for you, and it's actually extremely effective. It's not one of those very effective things that are complicated or complex, which a lot of things kind of become that way. But instead, it's something that's very simple and very effective. And let's just get into it. I'm going to show you exactly what this is. All right, to cut to the chase, here's what we made you. It's a one-page sales page that you can actually integrate right here within ThriveCart. Super simple. I'm going to get to that in 1 second, but I want to show you our results from using this very simple one-page sales page or one-page checkout, whatever you want to call it. Essentially, it's just one page, so people don't have to click around. You don't have to build a bunch of elaborate stuff, but you can actually get some amazing results. So we did a 6-day test to one of our own internal products. So we had full control and wanted to see the flow of people and compare conversion rates and all that stuff. After that 6-day period, we increased our conversions from 3.5% to 7%. So we almost doubled that, which is pretty dang amazing. And then within that little 6-day period with limited traffic, and we'll actually dig into the exact numbers in a second here in the video, we generated almost $5,000 in that 6-day period with the test. And of course, if we were just hanging around at that 3.5 level, that would be dramatically lower, almost half that or so. So again, just to reiterate, the key thing that we realized, because, and I'm sure you can relate, is the more systems, the more tech, the more content, the more offers, sales pages, conversion optimizations, everything that is kind of required of every business owner out there. This thing is simple. It's not complex. And there's a difference between, making things effective. It's very easy to get out of hand and get that whole thing to become extremely complex. Even if you're using seemingly, and I'm doing air quotes, seemingly simple ClickFunnels, LeadPages, WordPress even, that's not the case of this thing. So one of the things that we did thinking about, keeping this thing nice and simple and not complex, we wanted to make sure that this one-page checkout can be compatible, this template can be compatible with any platform that you use. So we made sure that this thing works perfectly with ClickFunnels, with LeadPages, Thrive Architect, that's actually how we designed this specific page, and then also HTML. So you can plug it in sites like that are just pure HTML coded or WordPress, you can input it in there. Any of these platforms, these are the most commonly used things, and there's obviously anomalies out there. But the idea here is that we're going to give you complete flexibility with using this one-page checkout for exactly what it is. So you can just get up and running super, super fast. Again, not complex, but we're going for effectiveness. We just choose to be very simple with this thing. And simple leads to amazing results if you do it in the right way. And that's exactly what we've proven out with this one-page template here that you can also get for yourself. So I'm going to turn the video now to my partner, Matt Wolf, and he's going to dig into exactly what's involved with this one-page template and exactly how you can get that thing right now.
Hey there, Matt Wolf here. I actually wanted to show you a real quick landing page that is really kind of cool. It's probably the simplest landing page concept I've ever made. It actually took me, not too long to get this page up and live and making sales. And it really only has 6 elements to it. You're gonna love this. This is kind of like a one-page funnel concept where your entire funnel is like right here on this landing page. You can obviously have upsells and things like that after the sale, but your sales pitch and your checkout and all that kind of stuff is all right here on a single page. 6 elements. So check it out. So first element, you've got your headline. Our headline for this one, we were actually selling our affiliate marketing course. It says how we created a 7-figure income stream by promoting other people's products and then put it on autopilot. This is a course where we teach some of our affiliate marketing strategies. So element 1, a big headline that grabs attention. Element 2, a sales video. This one happens to be a 20-minute video that pitches our affiliate course. It's all just PowerPoint slides, real simple, real basic sales video, just Keynote or PowerPoint slides. That's element 2. Element 3, a nice call to action here. This call to action says add to cart. When you click on it, it scrolls down to the cart. Element 4 here is testimonials. You can put as many as you want. I just included 2 real quick just to keep it simple. Let's see, element number 5 here is some sort of image to kind of represent your product. So if you're selling some sort of physical product, you would obviously want to show images of that physical product here. If you're selling a software, you'd probably want to show like a couple screenshots inside of that software right here. And if you're selling an info product, then like we are, you could show screenshots from inside the info product. We include, little cheat sheets and checklists. Here's a screenshot of the training videos, and then sort of a screenshot of the sort of flow of the course. These are all assets that you receive when you buy the course. So that's our image representation. So element number 5, some sort of image representation, and then real simple, final element number 6, a ThriveCart checkout box. And that is it. That's our whole one-page funnel. Now, before we had a longer form sales page with a video and a ton of sales copy and all sorts of testimonials and a giant guarantee and just on and on and on, a very long form sales page. And that was converting at about 3.5%. When I switched it out to this one-page funnel here, where it's just a headline, a video, a call to action, testimonials, an image, and a ThriveCart checkout, we jumped to a 7% conversion rate. Now, I know it's not a ton of traffic. We sent 732 visitors to this page, got a 7% conversion rate. And in this 6-day window here, it generated $4,950. But a 7% conversion rate on a $100 product, and to generate $5K over a 6-day window, that's not too darn bad. So pretty cool little template. And what I wanted to do for you is, if you decide to grab ThriveCart, that's a major key to what makes this one-page funnel work down here. If you were to grab ThriveCart through our affiliate link, which I'll link to below this video, we're not only going to throw in a bunch of really, really cool bonuses, but I'm going to give you this template here so you can actually just plug in your own checkout box like this one for your own product, and then just swap out all the elements on this template. Now, I'm making a version of this template in ClickFunnels, a version of this template in LeadPages, a version of this template in ThriveCart, and then also just an HTML version of this template. So if you're not using any sort of landing page builder, you can just use the HTML version of the template and plug it into your website. But if you're using ClickFunnels, I'm going to provide you with a template to basically duplicate this landing page in ClickFunnels. If you're using LeadPages, I'll give you this template to duplicate it in LeadPages. This one specifically that you're looking at here was actually built within ThriveCart, so I will give you the ThriveCart template as well if you would like that. And the HTML version will be made available for anybody who does not use a landing page builder. So pretty cool.
All right, so the way that you can get your hands on this template immediately is to go to getthrivecart.com and go purchase a license of ThriveCart. So you'll immediately get enrolled into the bonuses right after you purchase, and you'll get access to the template along with a whole bunch of other bonuses. But with this template specifically, you're going to get all the formats. So depending on, if you're at ClickFunnels, LeadPages, ThriveCart, or anything else, you're going to be able to get that HTML page template right there so you can have access to it and start actually testing this thing out for yourself. Super simple. Just go to getthrivecart.com, go grab that. And if you are a previous customer and if you purchase through us, we're going to hook you up as well. So just shoot us a message. It's very simple to get a hold of us, and we'll make sure that you get access to that template and all the other bonuses. Thanks for watching. Go check out getthrivecart.com, and we'll check you out later.